Okay, YouTube, we are here at J&J Muffler, J&J Mufflers in Inglewood, and they did the muffler delete last year. All right, so the startup. Today we're getting the Resonator delete. We just took a look underneath the car, and that Resonator has to go, y'all. It has to go. Yeah, it's a must. It's pretty restrictive. If I could get back underneath, we'll show you guys what we're looking at. But yeah, we're gonna do a Resonator delete and go with the straight pipe. So let me see if I could get some footage for you guys, and yeah, go from there. Okay, you guys, so this is under the car. We have the two catalytic converters right here. These are 600 cell catalytic converters. We're gonna switch to a sports cat. This right here is the Resonator. It's a dual exhaust, so it's in this box form, but it can be pretty restrictive. So we just want to remove that for extra downflow. We already deleted the mufflers in the last video. So yeah, this is what the exhaust looks like on the Maserati Ghibli. Again, the Resonators right here, catalytic converters up there. So stay tuned for the next steps. So if you guys are looking to get a muffler delete, J&J Mufflers in Inglewood has been here for ages, and I do mean years. We're not looking for extra horsepower, or we're not looking for extra torque. We're mainly looking for performance with this Resonator delete. We're aware that, you know, we're not looking to make the car go faster or whatever the case is, or any gains. No, the only gains that we're looking for is better downstream flow. It's a twin turbo, and the better the air can exit, the better, you know. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a better downstream airflow. That's why we're going with this Resonator delete. How much they need, then we're just cutting off. And again, ladies and gentlemen, the Maserati Ghibli already has stainless steel exhaust. I thought it was aluminum alloy. However, the Maserati Ghibli is already equipped with stainless steel exhaust. So for those looking to upgrade to a stainless steel exhaust, the Maserati already comes with its stock. So the only upgrade to make will be a titanium exhaust. Titanium is a little bit more, I wouldn't say cheap. It's lighter. However, it's not as durable as stainless steel. So for those looking to do an upgrade, let's just check some things out real quick. This is the Resonator, ladies and gentlemen. It's pretty hot, so it's pretty hot to the touch. That is the Resonator, ladies and gentlemen. So it's not that restrictive. For the record, Maserati Ghibli Resonators are not that restrictive, okay? It expands, the sound expands through those holes. However, again, as you can see right through those. Maserati Ghibli Resonators are not that restrictive, okay? So now we know. Right now we have the pipes cut out through here, and I'm gonna get out the artist's way. But again, it's not that restrictive. It's still clear airflow that you can see right through. And we're just gonna get everything aligned, and go from there. We got some fabrication going on with the mid piping. It's expanding, making that pipe a little bit more wider. Yeah. That looks so cool, man. Looks like someone got the cat delete. Guys, it's so hot. You can see the smoke coming through the exhaust. All right, YouTube, and this is the final result. Yeah. Perfect. Cold start. Ladies and gentlemen, this is about a 5-pound Resonator. Again, as you see, it wasn't too restrictive. It sounds amazing. It sounds amazing. Yeah. It sounds amazing. It sounds amazing. So I can say, ladies and gentlemen, it revs a lot. It's more responsive to the pedal throttle. Is what I noticed already. That rev limiter goes up much more fluid now. So the next will be cat deletes. The next will be installing some sports cats. So we will buy the sports cats and bring them right back here to get installed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is your boy Fast and Faded.